Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this you just got drafted filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. Press and hold the camera button to use the filter. Likewise, to get this effect on Instagram, what you can do, visit the creator profile and check in the filter gallery. This is the filter NFL draft hat. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you will see link to the filters. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.